What's up, galera? It's Roel with Jinga and Grow Strong, and today we're back with another video. Today we're doing the kicking combination 100 kick workout, Capoeira kick workout. We're doing a quexada and bençao. Now, see if you can keep up. Today we're going to do it with gradual do tatu. So make sure that, like I said, if you can't keep up, then go ahead and divide it up into 20s. Okay, so in this case, since it's a 2-kick combination, we're only doing 50, right? 25 each side, whereas the last time with just quexadas, we did 50 each side, and that's 100. So that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Check out the free course down below. Also, check out all my stuff on Amazon, and take the 90-second Capoeira quiz. Let's get started, sauce. Okay, that's 1 and 2. Remember that we're doing 2 at a time. So this is 2 and 3. I'm sorry, 3 and 4. Make sure that you land, kick with the land in the back, and let's keep it going. Keep up with that. Voila. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Jinga and grow strong.